not watching us, you're either dead or in a Turkish prison. Some of you may be new to MaxX, but we've been around since barnstorming was considered an extreme sport. Here's a lost episode exactly as it aired on the Dumont Network in 1923. Frankie Frakes is a good old-fashioned barnstormer, and the fans think this flyboy is the bee's knees. But watching Frank crash is enough to give you the screaming memes. Frank buys these old jalopies for $50 to $100. That's quite a lot of moolah. This here's the real McCoy. Frank's engine stalls, and he makes a crash landing into some fella's buggy. Frank's a little shaken up, but it's nothing that a cold sarsaparilla can't fix. Check out the mug on this mug. Sweet-looking scars. But Frank's squeeze is no bug-eyed Betty. Is she a tomato or what?
When you get to the house, kick her right in. Don't be afraid. Remember, I'm with you.
Okay, Frank, let's go.
And she's got some sweet getaway sticks. Frank gets a little fresh, but this ain't no petting party. They're going barnstorming. Frank ends up crashing 80 planes in his career and walks away from everyone. We're MaxX, and we're 23 Skidoo.